In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams camera not working. When you're trying to join a crucial meeting or activate your video feed in Microsoft Teams, encountering a non-functional camera can be incredibly frustrating. You might be met with a blank screen, a persistent message stating camera not available, or just an empty placeholder where your video should be. This scenario, where your camera isn't being detected or accessed by Teams, is a common hiccup for many users, particularly when operating Teams directly within a web browser. Often, this isn't a sign of a broken camera or a deep-seated software bug. Instead, it frequently indicates that the browser itself is preventing Teams from accessing your device's webcam. Recognizing this initial symptom, the absence of your camera feed, is the first critical step in diagnosing and resolving the issue, setting us up for a straightforward fix. To address this browser-level permission issue, your next step is to locate and click on the View Site Information icon. This is typically represented by a small padlock symbol or sometimes a simple eye in a circle, and it's invariably positioned on the far left side of your browser's address bar, directly adjacent to the website URL. This icon is your gateway to managing specific permissions for the website you are currently visiting, in this case Microsoft Teams. By clicking it, you're instructing your browser to display a menu that outlines the various permissions the Teams website is either requesting or has been granted, such as access to your camera or microphone. It's a fundamental security feature designed to give you control over what hardware websites can access on your computer. Ensure you are actively on the Teams meeting or call page to apply these settings correctly. Once you've clicked the Site Information icon, a small menu or pop-up panel will appear, providing an overview of the site's permissions. Within this menu, you'll need to locate the specific setting for camera. You'll often find a toggle switch or a drop-down menu associated with it. The crucial action here is to change this setting from its current state, which is likely block or ask, to allow. By selecting allow, you are explicitly granting Microsoft Teams, through your browser, permission to access your computer's built-in or external webcam. This overrides any previous restriction that might have been inadvertently set. After making this change, it's highly recommended to refresh the Teams page or even close and reopen the browser tab to ensure the new permissions take full effect. This step directly addresses the most common cause of camera issues in the browser version of Teams. With the camera permissions now explicitly set to allow in your browser's Site Information panel, it's time to verify if our fix has been successful. The simplest way to do this is to refresh your Microsoft Teams page. You can usually do this by pressing the F5 key on your keyboard or by clicking the refresh icon next to the address bar. Upon refresh, navigate back to your Teams meeting or the device settings within Teams to check your camera preview. Ideally, you should now see your live video feed displayed. If it's still not working immediately, try leaving and rejoining the meeting, or even restarting your entire browser. As a last resort, ensure no other application is currently using your camera, and briefly check your computer's system-level privacy settings for camera access. This final check confirms your camera is now properly integrated and functioning within Teams,